What's up, everyone? My name is Justin and welcome back. We have a big update on the Volkswagen, but before we get into that, let's take a look at the footage this week of getting this thing finished, prepped up, and sprayed. Alright, so you guys saw where we're at on this thing, and it is all done. Show you the whole thing here. Today's Thursday, we sprayed it with epoxy on Monday or Tuesday. So it's had a few days to cure up, and it's ready to be moved. But it is all done. We got 2 things left to do on the car. But other than that, it's turned out great. Really happy with how it looks. It looks really good in all white. The 2 things we have left to do are the hood. We just ran out of time. It just needs to be welded, finished being welded, and then cleaned off. You know, ground down, sanded, smoothed, all that stuff. And then that door needs fixed. That door has some rust in there. I'll show you in a minute. But these 2 doors and that door we're going to get fixed. But the Thing shop just got NOS doors in for the passenger side. They don't have driver sides, unfortunately. So we're going to buy NOS doors for this side, so we don't have to worry about them. And we have to fix that door and the hood. Other than that, it's all done. Show you in here in the engine bay. You can see this is all done in here. And if you remember some of the old videos, this is a lot of new metal. This whole channel all the way around is new. This is all new. This is new. The frame rails on each side are new. So you can see in there, everything you see in there is all brand new metal, and it looks extremely original. So really happy with how that turned out. Fenders have all been reworked. 2 of them are NOS fenders, 2 have been reworked. They all turned out really nice. They fit really good. So that's on there. We got the new window frame just set up here so we could check the hood fitment for this new panel we made. It fits really well. I'll show you inside the hood here. If you remember this seam right here, all the way around for the gas tank, that's all new metal. This whole floor up here is all brand new. Fits real nice, looks really good under here. Again, the hood isn't painted because we still got to finish that up, but this all fits really nice through here. So really happy with that. Put it back down. But yeah, we'll take a quick little walk around here. I'm really happy with how it turned out. We got a few things we still got to finish up, but for the most part, it's done and it's ready for, you know, paint prep, bodywork, sealer, high build, stuff like that. So that's where we're at on it. The plan is we're going to continue working on it. We got to get the door fixed. The door is going to come back up here to this shop with the trunk to my Plymouth here sometime soon, because those are going to get reworked. The hood, I don't know if the hood's going to come back up to get finished or if I'll just finish it. Haven't figured that out yet. But that's where we're at. Once we get our shop, we'll get back to working on this. For now, it's just going to kind of sit. I still have to strip down the pan. We put new floors on it, but I got to strip everything else. I got to pull the transmission, all that stuff off, get that sandblasted and get it powder coated. So I think that's where we're going to be working at this point, since we're waiting on the body to have a shop for it. But the pan, that's not going to be like a regular thing. I don't think we're going to have a weekly video on it. I'm not sure. I know there's not going to be a video for the next 2 weeks at least, because I'm going to be gone. I leave tomorrow and I won't be back for 2 weeks. So that's the plan on that. But this is where we're at on the car. I'm really happy with it. It looks really good. So we're going to get it loaded up on the trailer now. We're going to pull the window frame and the hood off. We're going to get the doors all secured shut, and we're going to get this loaded up on the trailer. and hit the road. And I'm not gonna end the video here. I'll show you guys this once we get it all loaded up. I'll show you it out in the sunlight, whether it's here or when I get home, but I'll show you guys all that. And I'll see you guys in a minute before we end this video off. All right, guys. Well, we made it home, got everything loaded up. It's about a 20-minute drive home, 30 minutes. So, car's home, everything looks good. Got it all tied down. So that's where we're at. You can see we tied the body to the cart, and then we tied the cart to the trailer. That's the easiest way to do it without really pulling on the body, but this is all home. You know, stay tuned for more. I know videos might be sporadic for a little while. You know, I try and be as clear as I can. We're in the process of looking for our own shop. We're in the process of moving, looking for our own shop. So I don't have a place to work currently because of that. So as soon as we have our own place, we're gonna go back to regular videos. But until then, I'm gonna do what I can. And if you guys want to see more, you know, subscribe. That way you guys get notified when I post. We're gonna have the Bronco project coming up here soon. The Plymouth, that's still up in the air, but we still got that project sitting around. We got some truck projects, tractor projects, stuff like that. So stay tuned, you know, everyone subscribe. It'd mean a lot to me while we take this little bit of a break. I'm not gonna, it's a little bit of a break, but we're still gonna be posting. But it means a lot to me that you guys watch these videos and you enjoy it. So with that said, I'll see you guys later and stay tuned for more.